This video I will explain how to check all active mandates step by step in UPI AutoPay. First, we will understand what is AutoPay mandate. An AutoPay mandate is a permission you give to automatically pay money from your bank account on a fixed date. It is used for subscriptions like OTT platforms, EMI payments, SIP investments, insurance, and utility bills. When it is active, money can be deducted automatically. So you must check it regularly. Now we will see why it is important to check active mandates. Checking helps you to know where your money is going. You can stop unused subscriptions. You can detect wrong or unknown approvals. Stay safe from fraud. Where you can find your autopay mandates. You can see them inside your UPI app. For example, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, BHIM, and some bank apps. The steps are almost the same in all apps. Now we will see how to check active autopay mandates. Step 1. Open your UPI app. Open the app you use for payments. Make sure you are logged in. Step 2. Go to your profile or settings. Look at the top corner of the screen. Tap on your profile photo or the menu. This opens the settings section. Step 3. Find the autopay or mandate option. Now look for the option called UPI AutoPay, Mandates, Subscriptions, AutoPay. Different apps use different names. Tap on it. Step 4. Open the active mandates list. You will now see the list of all active mandates. Each item usually shows company or merchant name, maximum approved amount, payment frequency, next debit date, and status, which is active. Step 5. Tab any mandate to see full details. When you tap one mandate, you can see your linked bank account, your UPI ID, start date, end date, exact debit rule, maximum limit. This tells you exactly what you approved earlier. How to identify an unwanted autopay. Check for services you no longer use, free trials that becomes paid, unknown company names, higher than expected limit. These should be paused or cancelled. What happens if you don't check? If mandate is active, money will be debited automatically on the due date, even if you forget. How often you should check? A good habit is check once every month. This keeps your bank account under control. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.